This evening in Primetime News, police reveal identity of suspect in teen's brutal killing.
Spanish Town tens again.
And St. Ann Mayor back on the job. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International. That's in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And a special welcome to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Now, coming up later in this newscast, we have the financial week, but
before that, we have Jermaine Brown, who is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jeremy.
Thank you, Giovanni. Well, Jamaica's Reggae Boys have continued their rivalry against the Trinidad and Tobago Soca Warriors, taking victory in the first of two friendlies in Montego Bay last night. And the Jamaica Scorpions, well, they're battening down for an intriguing final day against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes tomorrow in Antigua. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Well, I know there aren't any hurricanes in Jamaica right now. So, Romain, what's up?
Thanks, Janella. Quite the opposite. We have been taking out a lot of the moisture and the rainfall from the forecast for this weekend. We do have slightly drier conditions than we have been having over the past few days. We're looking for generally sunny conditions in the morning and partly cloudy skies in the afternoon across most places.
There's also sports commentary and e-primer in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what more can be done to protect citizens from financial-related scams?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.